Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video. So in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can make any post on schedule in schedule. Okay, how can you post in schedule? So you have to give the time or date, then that time or the date your post will be posted here. Okay, so it's like the other platform like YouTube, Facebook or Twitter. So simply click on the what's on your mind. So once you click there, then you have to click this is schedule post. This is schedule post. So I write something, and after that, after completing your typing, then you need to click here. You can see it's the schedule icon. So simply click on this, and when you click on this, then you'll get the first option, schedule co. So this one. So simply click on this. Once you click on this, then you have to give your time, so maybe 10. Okay, and you can also set your time, which time you wanna post. So I'm just randomly give something, and after that, okay, after that schedule go, and then it's okay, and then post it. Simply click post it, then it will be posted on your time. This code will be posted at your selected time. You can edit its content, change the time, or delete it entirely. So it's really flexible and user friendly. You can use. So okay friend, today is Noma, and thank you for watching the video.